This is the latest aircraft in the Air Force's inventory, the T-7A Red Hawk. The T-7A Red Hawk is a brand new, state-of-the-art pilot training system created specifically for the Air Force, with the purpose of training future fighter and bomber pilots. On June 28, 2023, Major Bryce Turner, a test pilot from the 416th Flight Test Squadron at Edwards Air Force Base, California, achieved a historic feat by becoming the first Air Force pilot to fly the T-7A Red Hawk. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel now.